In this video, you'll learn how to edit your listing on eBay before it ends. This guide will help you navigate the necessary steps to ensure your listing is optimized for better performance. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you are signed in, locate the My eBay dashboard, which is typically accessible from the top right corner of the homepage. In the dashboard, find and click on the selling section. This section displays all your active listings, allowing you to manage them effectively. Next, browse through your active listings to find the specific item you wish to edit. Once located, click on the Revise Listing option next to the product. This action will open the listing editor page, where you can see all the current details of your listing. It is essential to review these details because editing can significantly enhance the performance of your listing. After accessing the listing editor, you can update various fields such as the title, description, price, and shipping details. Ensure that the information you enter is accurate and relevant to attract potential buyers. Consider adding relevant keywords to the title, as this may improve your listing's visibility in search results. Additionally, clear and detailed descriptions assist buyers in understanding the product. Take a moment to review the images associated with your listing and update them if necessary. High quality images can attract more buyers and improve your chances of making a sale. Once you have made all the necessary updates, proceed to save the revised listing. It is advisable to preview the listing before finalizing the changes to confirm that everything appears correctly. Be aware that some fields may not be editable if there are existing bids on the item. It is also prudent to review eBay's listing revision policies to ensure compliance with their guidelines. Updated listings often perform better in search results, and regular optimization can enhance your sales opportunities. Managing your listings effectively is crucial for your success as a seller on eBay. Take the time to refine your listings, as this can lead to improved visibility and potentially. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.